So there's three areas that I want to cover that is money that you're able to capture. You just don't know how to yet. Merchant services, collections, and also the interest that you can make off of the credit card companies, or the same thing that the credit card companies do, and being able to finance your customers. Now, this is something that I've been doing over the past 22 years. I've had great success with it. And when I say great success, I'm talking I earned the interest that the credit cards would have made. I was able to do 100% collection over 22 years, financing a bunch of different things, mainly signs because I owned a sign company. That was the original starting point. But I did trees, I did landscaping, I did furniture, I did equipment, I did training. So a bunch of different things, vehicles. So the goal is that I want to be able to teach this. And this is what Woje is about, is making it so that you can capture this money back. I've made it so that it is a simple, very effective solution for the majority of small businesses. This is who we want to benefit the most, is the small businesses. So if you're a handyman, electrician, anything in the construction industries, if you're in the healthcare industry, dentists, orthodontists, chiropractors, it doesn't matter if it's a high profit margin, low profit margin. We've seen it to where with companies that have a 20% margin or less on their sale, and we were still able to construct a way for them to finance and be able to capture interest. So this is what this webinar is going to be about, is teaching you exactly how. And I'm going to give you just right now some of those ways so that you can understand it. One, to eliminate merchant fees. To eliminate merchant fees or to reduce them, you really need to get rid of those specific people that are charging you. It's the merchant processor and it's the credit card network. So any jobs that you can do that can be cash jobs, bank to bank, those are the best way to be able to eliminate those fees. And it's a huge amount. I was able to do over $600,000 in sales and have about $1,000 in merchant fees. And the reason why is because I was able to transfer them from the regular way of doing credit cards to bank transfer. And I did an auto withdrawal, so I made sure that I was gonna get paid. So there's that for merchant fees, and it works. It's amazing that it works. So this is not for online business. This is for your local businesses. It can be window cleaning up to LASIK surgery center. Just to give you an example of some of the variety. So merchant fees, that's the first thing. The second thing is collections. Well, actually, let's go on to financing, because that's the area that people are like, I can't do it. But financing actually takes care of collections. So we're going to talk about collection first. Collection is an issue to where you don't know what to do to stop it from going into the 60 or 90 day window of turning into collection. And what I want to teach you is there's a thing that we've created that's called pre-collection or collection prevention. It is tools and specific things that you do in order to eliminate them from reaching that point, and also converting them into die-hard true fans of your business. And it's amazing. Anytime there's a drastic change like that, the commitment level for your clients is just absolutely amazing. When I say clients, anybody who is a customer of mine in any of my businesses, we consider clients because we want them long-term, and that's where financing comes in. Financing is very, very easy. You take whatever you have and you divide it into specific areas, material, labor, profit. That's going to give you your calculation for your numbers to keep you in the black and make it possible for you to finance. And then there's specific like base ways of financing to where you're able to do it according to whether you're a product or service, or if your profit margin is very low, how to be able to still do financing and stay in the black. So this is what this webinar is about. We want to teach you this for free. One last thing, when you do sign up, you'll see that there's a long list of different times. We're trying to do these webinars I think every week or twice a week even, so that we can get the most amount of small businesses doing this and being able to capture that money back. If you understood how much is out there that you could capture back, all three of these industries, merchant services, credit cards, and collections are all billion-dollar industries, and they're created off of the backs of small businesses. And these do not need to fully exist as big as they are. You can capture this money back and keep it in-house. And it's very, very easy to do. So pick a time, pick one of those dates and times that we have available. Come join us in the webinar. We're gonna train you as much as we can in the hour and a half, give you the knowledge that you need to be able to move forward. And then if you're interested, I'm being completely frank and honest, if you're interested, we're gonna show you more. For example, we created the tools to be able to do it. We also have training to where we walk you completely through it. And we actually do role playing so that we know that you have it down and you know how to talk to your customers and everything. But for right now, just come in. If you're the type that is a self-starter, come in. We're going to teach you and let you just move on your way, get started doing it, because what it does, it benefits you, it benefits your community, and that's what we love. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Scott Johnson with Woje Inc.